Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, SSL keeps your website secure and trusted by visitors. So in today's small tutorial, I make sure to show you how to actually enable SSL on Wix.com in 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, as usual, you should open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of that. As for now, log in to Wix dashboard. Yeah, it's as normal. Just open Google or Bing or whatever, look for wix.com, tap on this link, then they're gonna take you to a new window where you should usually log in using your email address and password. And that's it. You're gonna see the dashboard here. Then select your website. As for now, we're gonna go and check this gear icon or settings so we can open the SSL settings or certificate or whatever. As for now, let's go and check the search settings button. I'm gonna go all the way to look for SSL. May take some time first, but it's totally alright. We have also this SEO settings, the checkout, tab reservation for me, the website settings and all of this. Okay, it's taking some time again. Okay, let's look for it here. Wix SSL settings. About HTTPS and SSL help center. As you see here, you can also get this help center if you want to by going to wix.com again. But we should also be able to get it here by tapping on settings. Okay, here we go. We should see the domains and managing your domain. So this is the help center of Wix. You can also, if you need any help with this, you can send them a message, screenshots or whatever. They're gonna tell you first what is an SSL certificate. It's a secure sockets there, we all know that. So basically everything is looking good using HTTPS on other browser automatically for all sites created at no additional cost. So that's it. So actually Wix provide us with an SSL certificate automatically for all websites created on Wix at no additional cost. So basically if you can see it on your website, all you gotta do is basically send them a message or an email, but make sure you are fully done with all of them steps. You have published your website and all of the normal things. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.